Hey you guys, welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. My name is Kori Ashton, and today I'm going to walk you through a listicle, a list of 7 different kinds of content you can be doing inside of your blog on your website today. I'm going to show you all 7 right now. So 7 different types of content for your blog. Now, we all have been doing press releases for a while. We've all been doing the look at our Google Analytics and seeing kind of what our best blog articles are, and we've been doing kind of a follow-up article on that, right? If you haven't, there's another idea for you, because you always want to be thinking, gosh, if that article did well, maybe I should do an updated article or a V2 or a phase 2 of whatever that article was. And of course, you've all been told to do education pieces, but what are some other ways that you can spice up your blog and have some great content? Well, the first one is easily just add a vlog. Do a simple video just like I'm doing here. Whether you're using zoom.us as your capture software, right, to capture your screen, you can use that. I'll put the link to that in the description below. Or whether you're using a simple webcam or even your cell phone, right? Doesn't matter. Using something like this has great quality, and you can create a video, put it inside your blog, and people are going to press play a lot more often than they will read a long 2,000-word blog. Second thing you can do is interview a client or a customer, or if you're just a blogger, like if that's your focus, blogging, and you don't have clients or customers, you have people who comment or people who are active in your community. Interview them, let them be a part of what you're talking about. Interview them whether it's over the phone or an email, give them a couple of questions, let them respond, take that and create a great piece that you can add to your blog. And then they get to announce it to their friends, family, their social networks, and talk about the fact that they were just featured on your blog. It's a really cool way to kind of get some grassroots content. Another thing you can do in an interview style is interview a team member. If you are a part of a larger group, plan out, maybe you have one team member that you interview each month and write up a blog article about how they got to your company, what they were doing before they were in your industry, what they're doing now for your team, what kind of cool dynamic they add to your team. And maybe you can add your own perspective to why you know they're a great part of your team and what they bring to the table. This, again, is another really cool piece to kind of lift the veil and show people what you do inside of your company, show people and brag on your team members, and then again, that person feels really special that they've been highlighted in your website. Number 4 is going to be the best of all time, or maybe the best of the year, or best of a category. If you have products that you sell, you can come to the table and kind of grab those, kind of collect those together and make a blog article about the best of the best. You can do that in your industry across the board. You can do that with really any type of different types of content. You can gather the best of the best, whether you're looking at Google Trends to find that, you're looking at social media to find that, you're doing a Google search and you're finding what Google is saying the best of the best is, and you kind of create your own list like that. Those top lists get a lot of attention, and you can probably find that to be true if you're looking back in your Google Analytics, checking to see what other blog articles have done well for you. A lot of times, the best of seems to rank really high. Now, number 5 is just a lot of fun because you can build out infographics. I know that that's an old concept, but a lot of people haven't really ever tried it because it seems really cumbersome to try to get creative. Maybe you're not a graphic designer or you don't have the tools, you're not confident in Photoshop skills, and you think to yourself, gosh, I have no idea how to craft this longer image that kind of tells a story or gives graphics or details or statistics. I don't have the capability of doing that. Well, now you do, and there's no excuse because I'm giving you a resource called Snappa. Get over here, try this out. They have free templates inside here, and this is one actually that I'm showing you. Literally, you just go in here and change the text. Everything already lives here. All the images live here. The colors live here. You can easily change things, add your own images, and they've got so many different templates with statistics and graphs and charts, just really cool resources. So be sure to check out snappa.com. I'll put the link to that also in the description box below. Number 6 brings a really cool opportunity to the table because in this one, you can go find an influencer in your industry and use your blog as kind of a calling card to engage with them. Tweet to that person. Send them an email if you have an email. Get on LinkedIn and see if you have the ability to network. Maybe somebody you know knows that person. Connect with them and see if you can interview them, whether it's in a video style, again using Zoom, or whether you're using Google Hangout or whatever tool you have to kind of do a video call with somebody, you can record that, interview them, put that inside of your blog. One of the things that that's going to get you is, again, you're going to be able to ride their wave because they're an influencer that already has an audience in your industry. They'll mention to their audience that they were featured on your blog, and that gets brand new eyes and ears listening to you, aware of you, and traffic coming to your website. So this is a really great tool, and I'm going to challenge you to step out of your comfort zone and try to find that influencer, whether they're a blogger or a vlogger, or they're a YouTube influencer, maybe they're on Instagram, maybe they're in Pinterest and they have an amazing following there. Don't ever feel like they're too far of a reach for you because you just have a small blog. It doesn't matter. People are always looking for opportunities to gain more exposure and to basically help and just get some more recognition. So I'm going to challenge you to reach out and try to find an influencer. And number 7 is to do exactly what I've done here inside of this vlog, is to create a listicle or a list article. Something that gives kind of collects a best of, again, maybe your top 7, just some ideas. Get numbers together, and typically they say that odd numbers work better, get more attention. So 5 best pizza joints in the area. 7 denim trends, fashion craze, and ideas. Just get some ideas together like this, put them in a list, prioritize them. And again, what you're doing here is you're going out and you're collecting other ideas in the industry, bringing them to one spot, and Google just loves that kind of list type of content. And so do your viewers. I guarantee you they're going to share more stuff like that. That's why they're so popular. That's why you see them out there. But how do you do it? Just simply by Googling around, finding different ideas, putting them together. I'll show you a couple examples of my top or my listicles. I'll put those in the description box below as well. So do you have ideas about how you're engaging your blog viewers and your readers? Do you have other ideas of types of content that you've seen successful on your own blog? Would you consider commenting those in the thread below? I would love for our viewers to be able to see those ideas and get some inspiration. If you'd like to add your link to show us exactly what that type of article looked like, I would love to see it as well. I hope you're having a great WordPress Wednesday. Be sure to subscribe because every week I'm creating content just like this to help you improve your online marketing inside of the world of WordPress. And check out all my other videos because I have almost 400 videos now living here on my YouTube channel, all for free for you to find really cool resources for online marketing when it comes to search engine optimization, all things WordPress, and even some social media marketing ideas. I hope you're having a great one. I will see y'all next WordPress Wednesday. Bye, everyone.